Can you solve this equation? It looks like you will be solving by squaring both sides. Then you'll get m is equal to 5 by 4. Is this right? Let's pause the video and you can try yourself to find the solution for the m. So this is the given equation. If I square both sides, you will get it like m square minus 1 equal to m minus 2 whole square. Okay. So if we simplify it further, it becomes like m square plus 4 minus 4m. Both side m square terms get cancelled, and if we simplify it m here, you will get m is equal to 5 by 4. Let's check with basic equation. Will it satisfy or not? If we take it here, left side 1, it's become like 5 by 4 whole square minus 1 equal to 25 by 16 minus 1 equal to 25 minus 16 is 9 by 16. That to square root, it will be like 3 by 4. So this is the left hand side one. We check the right hand side one. M minus 2 equal. So it's 5 by 4 minus 2. This is like 5 minus 8 by 4 equal minus 3 by 4. So the m equal to 5 by 4 is not satisfying to this equation. Why it is not satisfying? Since we have solved the square equation, not the base equation. Okay, we did the square both sides and then we have solved the equation. So always remember that the base in the radial forms, right, the base equation is different than the square equation. Okay, that's why always you need to check the solution, go back and check whether it's correct or not for the base equation when you are squaring the both sides. Let's take now the first equation like f of x, okay, and bring all the terms to the one side. Okay, so what will happen? Square root of x square minus 1 minus m minus 2, right? Let's take different values for the x. Okay, if you put x is equal to 0 in this equation, you get f of x is imaginary numbers, right? You don't have any real numbers, right? So let's put x is equal to 1. Then what happened to f of x equal to 1? What happened if you put x is equal to 10? So it will become 100 square minus 1 is 99. So f of x equal to, it's become like square root 99 minus 10 minus 2 is 8, right? So you get this term. Some of the values of the x, it does not have any real numbers. All of other numbers, it has some positive value. Okay, if you do it for the root 99, it is almost like 10, right? 10 minus 8, you will get almost near to the 2, you will get, right? So whatever the value of the x, you will get the near to the 2, okay? Never comes to the f of x equal to 0. So I have plotted the graph for this function f of x. If you see this, right, between these two numbers of the x, you will not be getting any value for the g of x. You will be have negative number inside the root. It is not showing the any value for the f of x in between these two, okay? But if you take all the positive, it is never touching to the x. It is slightly increasing, right? You can see right here, slightly increasing, and it is never touching to the x-axis. So root means you need to touch to the x-axis so that f of x will become the 0, right? So it never touched to the x-axis. And negative side, right, just keep increasing to the very high numbers so that this function does not have any real roots. But if you square the both side, if you go back and square the both side, when you square both side, then what happens? There is a m square terms get cancelled, and it will become like, if you see here, right, it will become like 4m minus 5 equal to 0. So the function is become like g of x is equal to, it become like 4x minus 5. If you see this side, this is a linear equation. It has the solution like 5 by 4. It becomes 0 at 5 by 4. That's why it is showing the solution as 5 by 4. But it is not showing any solution for the base equation, right? This is the equation for that 4x minus 5. So it has the solution for the 5 by 4 is the solution for this linear equation. I will keep bringing the interesting topics to you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.